Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Aqua channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of agile testing trends. I've been absolutely loving this topic lately. I couldn't wait to share my top 5 trends with you. So let's dive in. Trend number 1, shift left testing. Now I've been hearing about shift left testing everywhere recently, and it's honestly been a game changer for me. By shifting testing to earlier stages of the development process, we are catching issues before they become a total nightmare. Trust me, I've had my fair share of late-stage bug disasters, so I'm all about proactive approach. Trend 2, artificial intelligence and machine learning. You know, I'm a huge tech enthusiast and I just can't get enough of AI and ML. These technologies are transforming agile testing by automating test case generation, defect analysis, and even test case maintenance. I've been experimenting with AI-based tools myself, for example, Aqua Cloud, and let me tell you, it's like having a super smart sidekick to help you through the process. Trend 3, test environment as code. Okay, everyone, if you haven't jumped in the TEC train yet, it's time to get on board. By treating your test environment as code, you can automate its setup, configuration, and even cleanup. I started using TEC in my projects and it's been an absolute lifesaver. Trend 4, continuous testing. Now you might be wondering, why the obsession with continuous testing? Well, let me tell you, it's all about speed and quality. By continuously running automated tests throughout the development process, we're catching issues faster and making our products even better. I've been pushing myself to integrate continuous testing into my workflow, and it's honestly made a world of difference. Trend 5, TestOps. Last but definitely not least, we have TestOps. This is all about integrating testing into every part of development process, from planning to deployment. I've noticed a significant improvements in my project since adopting TestOps practices, and it's made collaboration with my team so much smoother. TestOps is truly the future, and I can't wait where it takes us. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful and maybe even pick up some inspiration for your own projects. Don't forget to smash that like button if you like this video and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay creative and happy testing! Bye!